Microsoft recently described AI literacy as a universal basic skill and launched Elevate for Educators, a training initiative designed to build AI capacity among teachers. When a major technology company frames AI literacy alongside foundational skills, school leaders should pay attention, not because Microsoft said it, but because it signals how quickly expectations are shifting. AI is no longer treated as an optional enrichment topic. It is being positioned as core competency. The question is whether schools are shaping that competency themselves or outsourcing it by default. Over the past year, multiple technology companies and education organizations have built large-scale AI training communities. That does not happen without demand. Educators are actively looking for guidance. The professional development gap is real. Most districts did not build internal AI frameworks before tools entered classrooms, so teachers are learning wherever they can. Free, high-quality resources from technology companies absolutely have value. They can accelerate familiarity, reduce fear, and increase technical fluency. Ignoring those resources would be short-sighted, but also relying on them exclusively creates a different problem. Vendor-led training naturally centers the vendor ecosystem. The tools highlighted, the case studies modeled, and the workflows demonstrated reflect that company's priority. That is not unethical, it is aligned business practice. The risk appears when a district's AI literacy becomes indistinguishable from a single company's product roadmap. AI literacy in schools must go beyond tool usage. It requires understanding data privacy implications, bias risk, developmental appropriateness, cognitive load, and long-term instructional coherence. It requires preserving professional judgment, not replacing it with platform defaults. School leaders should ask a harder question. What does AI literacy mean for our community? One practical step is conducting an internal AI readiness review that examines current tool use, data governance, instructional alignment, and staff confidence levels before adopting any external framework wholesale. That process clarifies whether training is building critical capacity or simply increasing platform dependence. The stance here is not anti-corporate partnerships. Strategic partnerships can expand access and expertise. The stance is pro-intentional leadership. When schools define their own principles for responsible AI use first, vendor resources become supplements rather than substitutes. If they do not, the district vision quietly becomes shaped by whoever offers the most polished training materials. AI literacy is becoming foundational. The question is not whether educators will learn it. The question is who defines it and whether professional judgment remains at the center of that definition.